Hi everybody, Scott Card here with another quick Proteus tip. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to assign a footprint to an existing component in Proteus. This case, I have a voltage regulator that is typically in a TO92 case, and I'd like to assign it to an SO8 package for my design. Okay, welcome back everybody. So as you can see here, we have a very common device, the 78L05, and we want to assign it to a SO8 package, which is available. But you'll notice that one thing that isn't available to us is the default for that in the package. And so what we're going to do is we're going to assign it by using the package tool. I click on the package tool and it opens up, and if we had more packages available to us, we'd see them here in this drop down, but there's none there. So what we want to do is we want to add a package. And in this case, the package that we're looking for is actually just SO8. And so we'll bring it in and I'll say, okay. And you'll notice that there are 3 pins here that are already assigned. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. And this is a throwback to the original package. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. But as you can see here, we have 8 pins. And so we're going to be very careful that we assign them correctly. So ground, we're going to come back to that. V in is pin 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on V in here under the assign tool, and I could type in 8 or I can click on it visually. Okay. V out is on pin 1. So pin 1 already. Now that leaves the remainder of these pins. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 grounds. And so what we need to do is we need to put in that this is pin 2, yes, and so comma 3, comma 6, comma 7. Okay, and that connects all of them. Now we have these 2 no connect pins, and we can put them down here. So no connect for pin 4, comma 5. Note that I haven't used any spaces, and I will assign this part. And then it asks us where we want to put it. I'll just leave it in the user DVC, and I'll update all of my instances. Now, when I go in here, I can choose the SO8 or the SO90 or the SO92 package. And when we come in here, we can actually place our component. Put a board edge around this. Simple as pie. We've assigned a footprint to an existing package, and this will simulate, it'll do everything, and it will now be in your user directory, so the next time you want to use it, it is available. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you'd like to be made aware when I make new videos. If you didn't like it, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. Tell me how I can do better. I'm always willing to learn and adapt. And as always, thanks for watching and have yourself a great day. All right, bye now.